So next topic, introduction to large numbers. So in this we are going to discuss how you are going to read the large numbers. So far we have read small numbers, we know like 10, 100, 1000. After that a big number, when you see how you are going to read such a large number, we are going to discuss in this topic. So here, when you see in a digit wise, the greatest, when you see the greatest one digit number means, so what is the greatest one digit number means 9. So the greatest one digit number is 9. So if you are going to add 1 to this, so it will become 10. It will become 10, and this is read as 10. This is read as 10. Okay, so now this is a two digit number, and this is the smallest, and this is the smallest two digit number. This is the smallest two digit number. So after that, when you see the greatest two digit number, okay, so the greatest two digit number, when you see, so the greatest two digit number will be 99. So to this, when you are going to add a 1, okay, so now the number will become 100, and this can be read as 100. This is read as 100, and this is the smallest three digit number. This is the smallest three digit number. So continuing the number, so when you see the greatest three digit number, so that will be 999. And to this, when you are going to add 1, okay, so it is 1000, and this is read as 1000. This is read as 1000, and this is the smallest and this is the smallest four digit number. This is the smallest four digit number. Continuing to this, the greatest four digit number is 9999. So to this, when you are going to add 1, so it will become 10000, and this is read as 10,000. This is read as 10,000, and we know that this is the smallest five digit number. Smallest five digit number. So continuing here, now coming to the greatest five digit number, so it will be 99999. To this, when you are going to add 1, so it will become 100000. And now how you are going to read this number, so this is read as 1 lakh. It is read as 1 lakh, and this is the smallest 6-digit number, smallest 6-digit number. So the greatest 6-digit number is 999999. So to this, when you are going to add 1, so the number will become 10000000, and this is read as 10 lakh, 10 lakhs, and this is the smallest 7-digit number. This is the smallest 7-digit number. And continuing, the greatest 7-digit number, when you see here, so that will be 999999. So to this, when you are going to add 1 here, you are going to see 10000000, and now it is looking even big number, a large number. So how you are going to read this number? Means it is read as 1 crore, 1 crore, and this is the smallest 8-digit number. This is the smallest 8-digit number. And continuing to this, continuing this, when you increase the size of the number, okay, so now the greatest 8-digit number, when you are going to see, so that will be 9999999. And to this, when you are going to add 1, so here it will be 10000000, and this will be read as 10 crore. This will be read as 10 crores. And now we know that this is the smallest 9-digit number. This is the smallest 9-digit number. In the same way, so again, when you increase the size, the greatest 9-digit number will be 999999999. So to this, when you are going to add 1, so how you are going to read this? When you are going to add 1, and you will get a number 1000000000, and this will be read as 100 crore. It will be read as 100 crore. And now we know this is the smallest 10-digit number. This is the smallest 10-digit number. So in this way, we just see like continuing of the reading of numbers. So first we read like 10 we read, so after that 100 we read, after that 1000 we read, so after that we read 10,000. Here we read 10,000. After that we read it as 1 lakh, then 10 lakh, and followed by this we read that number. No, after 1 lakh, 10 lakh, we can't read, we are not going to read as 100 lakh. We read it as 1 crore. We read it as 1 crore, and after that we read as 10 crore, and after that we read as 100 crore. We read as 100 crore. So in this way sequence we read the numbers 10, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. So this is just a introduction to how we are going to read a large numbers. Now we are going to see how you are going to read a large number. So for example, a number 714359. So this number is given. How you are going to read this number? So first we are going to keep in an expanded form. So this we are going to keep in an expanded form. So the expanded form, the first step will be you are going to segregate the numbers according to the place values. So now I just segregate here. Okay, so segregate here. So now this will be ones, this will be tens, this will be hundreds, this will be thousands, and this will be 10,000. And after that we know how to pronounce or how to read a large number. So we know after this the number will be called as lakh, and after that 10 lakh. So if at all a big number is there, then we say it is crore. So now the numbers we are going to segregate according to the place value here. So 9, when you see here, it will be in the unit place, ones place, and 5 in the tenths, and 3 hundreds, 4,000, and 1 in 10,000, and 7 in lakh place. So now how you are going to read this number, we are going to see. So first 7 we are going to see, which is in the lakh place. So 7 lakh we are going to read as 7 lakh. After that we see in the thousands place, like 1 10,000 is there and 4,000 is there. So combinedly we can say like 14,000. Combinedly we can say it as 14,000. 14,000. So after that we read 3 in the 100 place. So we can read it as 300. Read as 300. Followed by the tens place 5. So it will be read as 5, 10, and 9 also in the ones place. So we can't read like 50 and 1. So we are going to read it as 59. Okay, so we will read it as 59. So 59 we are going to read. So it is read as 7,14,359. So in some cases we see here one add word will be seen. Okay, so 7,14,359. So this and where you are going to see, and we are going to see where you are going to use. Suppose in a British English, so in British English when you are going to see, then you are going to add and word. And when you are going to use an American English, then you are going to omit this and. So in the British English, when you want to read, so 7,14,359 we have to read, and in American English we are going to read as 7,14,359. So this is about how you are going to read a large number. Next topic, usage of commas. So what is the purpose of this usage of commas here? Okay, so when a number is given to you, it looks very difficult or complex to read. So when you use a commas to a given number, so it will be read easily. So reading becomes easy when you are going to use commas. So suppose a big number is there, okay, like 7 1 5 4 6 9 8. So this is a number, suppose when you are going to see, okay, so a big number. So here how we are going to read this large number, it looks difficult, okay. So when you are going to keep commas, then it will be easy to understand about the number and you can read easily. So now next we see here how we should keep how we should keep how to keep commas in a given number. The first here, in the sense, uh, first comma you are going to keep from right to left at the thousands place. So from right to left, from right to left at the thousandth place, that means after 3 digits, after 3 digits, we are going to keep comma. So suppose above example 7154698 is there. So from right to left, after 3 digit we are going to keep comma. So that means 1 2 3. So here we are going to keep 1 comma here. And the next followed by this, every 2 digits, for every 2 digits we are going to keep comma. That means after after 5 digits, okay, and after 7 digits. In this way we use or keep commas. So now in the above number, first three number, after 3 digits from right to left, we kept a comma. So followed by this, so every 2 digits, that means at after 5 digits, okay, we keep comma here. So 5 digit means here. And next we are going to keep after 7 digits, that means here we are going to keep comma. So now, so this way we are going to see here commas in a given number. So after the 3 digits, the number, we know that it is a thousands place. So read as thousand, read as thousand. And after 5 digits, it will be read as lakh. And after 7 digits, the number will be read as crore. The number will be read as crore. So now in the above number, when you are going to see from left to right, okay, so in this way, so we know that here it is thousand, here it is lakh. So this is thousand and this is lakh and this is crore. So now it will be read as 7 crore, okay, 15 lakhs, 46,000 and this is 981. Okay, so in this way we are going to read 7 crore 15 lakhs 46,981. So it will be easy when you are going to keep commas, and it will become easy to read a large number. So in the Indian system we are going to follow this way. So this is a Indian system. Okay, so this is the Indian system, where we are going to use comma first, after 3 digits, after 5 digits, and after 7 digits, and it follows like 9 digits, 11 digits, like this.